market. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. This model is a cordless vacuum cleaner, which means it does not have any cord attached to it, and it also is bagless. This model does come with a separate charging attachment that you can plug into the wall, and then also comes with the charging port where you can hang it onto the wall. This model also comes with several different attachments. You have your dusting brush. This brush does have a soft red velvet fabric on the very bottom of it, so if you were to do your baseboards, you don't scratch them. It also comes with a crevice dust brush combo, which you can push up and push down with the press of a button. On the bottom of it, when you push it down, you do have another red velvet, a little bit more rougher. So if you were to wanting to scratch something off a surface, you could do so. So this is an animal model, so you do get an extra attachment for your upholstery. So something like dog beds, your upholstery on your couch, if you have any cat hair embedded or dog hair, does have a spinning brush roll with bristles and an added red velvet on the rougher side. Then you also get your crevice tool. This is to get into the cracks and crevices of like baseboards. You can do your kitchen table if you have indentions inside of it. And then you also get your carpeting head. So this head does have a spinning brush roll, has several different bristles on the bottom of it, which is great to get very deep into your carpeting, whether you have low to medium. It can also do high carpet. So this also just attaches directly to your hose, just like that. So this model does have several different suction adjustments. You have your very low suction. Let me go ahead and show you. So you have a very low suction, you have your medium, and you have your max. So when you do change your suction, it will affect your battery time. So on average, you'll get about 60 minutes using your other attachments. So your upholstery, your dusting brush, or your crevice tool. When using your carpeting attachment, it's going to cut it in half. So I usually recommend it's about 15 to 35 minutes. It does depend on what suction level you're at though. So you do have this little red lever right here. This is to empty out your dustbin. If you were to push it down and push very hard, you can go ahead and empty it without having to touch any of that dirt. To bring it up, you click it back and you just have to close your little hole right there. So a nice feature of this model is you can attach all of your attachments directly to your canister. So you can go ahead and just click this guy in. You can dust your baseboards, you can dust your window seals. Another great feature is when you put the upholstery tool onto it. Very easy to do your furniture, your couches, things like that. If you have stairs in your house, you can also attach your carpeting head. So this model will attach directly to it. Get it very easily. It does have the spinning brush roll, so you can clean pretty deep into your carpeting. This model does have a filter. The filter is located on the back of the handheld canister. All you have to do is turn and pull out, and then it releases your filter. This is a washable filter, so you can wash it, but we would recommend to let it dry for 24 hours and then replace it every 6 months. And we do sell those on our website if you need to refer back to them. So this is the Dyson V10 Animal. If you have any questions, you can chat us on our live chat feature on our website. You can also email us or call us. We all are a US-based customer service and we're happy to help. Thank you so much. This is Michaela with Vacuum